welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing, a very little one. That's why this is being brought out in the middle of the week instead of on Sunday like it normally is. But that's because I got this little adapter that goes from a TRS 3.5 millimeter to XLR. So hopefully I can use my old microphone. Now it does require phantom power, and of course this is the other end. Now it does require phantom power, and to be honest with you, I really don't think it's going to work with a phantom power mic, but we're going to give it a shot. So, come along with me and see what we can see. Okay, let's get into it. So, it came in a little bag from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. And it is a, let's see, what do they call it? Old eyes, so I need to, do the old man thing. Alrighty, so it is a balanced 3.5 millimeter. One, and a whole bunch of letters strung together. Okay, I tried to use small abbreviations, and I have no idea what it means. But anyway, it's TRS 3.5 millimeter to balanced XLR. Pretty much all it is. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up. It's a nice little Ziploc baggy thing. Okay, it's by Divinol. Not sure how to pronounce it, but it does come with a little strap here, little Velcro strap. That's good. Holds everything together. Oh, it comes completely off. Oh well. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that adapter that we just got. Now remember, when you put it on the Osmo Pocket, the directions do say the DJI emblem has to go on the side facing the screen. So the side of the screen is what you're supposed to be able, after you plug this in, you're supposed to be able to read DJI for it to work. I'm not sure if that's really the case because it's a USB-C. It's supposed to be able to put in either way, but hey, who knows? That's what the instructions say, so that's how I do it. And then we're going to take the adapter, we're going to put it into the other adapter, the adapter to adapter, and then we're going to take this adapter and we're going to put it into the lavalier microphone. Hello. There we go, like that. Okay, and then we're going to give it a test. So again, I'm going to be quite honest with you. I don't think it's going to work, but we're going to give it a shot. Okay, so here we are with the on-camera regular audio. No big deal, nothing special, just coming out of the camera itself. Now I'm going to put in the DJI 3.5 millimeter adapter and hook on that adapter, and hook on the lav microphone and see what we got. Okay, so here's that adapter that we just did an unboxing on. Go ahead and hook that into the bottom. I'm going to hook in the microphone and see what we got. Okay, testing the microphone in regular mode. Okay, here we are on moderate level. So this is kind of like medium level, what I was talking about before. But let's go ahead and stop the video. We're going to put it on high and we're going to try it again. Okay, so here we are on high with the external microphone. Scratch, 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 scratch. Okay, so let's see if this does any different. It's not doing very well. So when it comes to a microphone that needs phantom power. It doesn't look like it works. So, sorry, that adapter doesn't work with microphones that need phantom power. So there you go. At least now you know. So I will have an update on a microphone, hopefully that does not need phantom power, to see if that works. So I hope this helped. At least got you from maybe getting a microphone that doesn't work for the Osmo Pocket. If that did help, please give me a like. Also comment below and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget the bell. So, as always, have a great day.